Remove this shell first. Hold the mirror and twist the bracket to the left. Remove the mirror, assembly bracket and host. Remove the porn from the bracket of the original car. Put it on our stand. Remove plug cover. Pass the line through the two bracket holes in turn. Then align the base and screw to the right. Install. Storage line vertical roof crack. Put it back into the original hull. Pry open the upper cover at the steering wheel. Unscrew the screw here on the left side of the steering wheel. There's another one here on the right. There is another one at the bottom of the cover under the steering wheel. Remove the cover. Flame out. Unplug the white plug here after power off. Transfer our dedicated wiring harness to it. Enterprising electricity. Put the other end of the power cord. Pull out from the gap of the rubber strip. Pull down the rubber strip. Break a cap. From the gap between the airbag and the pillar, through to the inside. Docking plug, storage harness. Wire down the pillar gap. Use a cable tie to store the wiring harness of the swimming fish. Here it is. Put back the steering wheel cover. Set up extension cord. Thread to the inside in the same way. Docking plug. From the gap of the rubber strip, route to the rear of the car via the B-pillar. Unplug both ends of the soft hose. Break open the trunk. Cover here. The thread can be directly pierced through this hole. The entry point is here. Then through the soft hose. Pry off the cover in the door panel slot. Unscrew the two screws. Remove the mechanical handle cover. Remove this horizontal strip cover first. There is a buckle for each longitudinal cover plate. The buckle under this cover is to be broken out. There is a screw on each side of the large cover plate. Allegro. Pry off the small covers on both sides. Unscrew the inner screw. Flame out. Unplug the plug connected here after power off. When dismantling the tail, pull the tailgate inward. Reserve space on the left. Paste positioning paper. Then drill. To expand this hole to, can fit the screws of our reamer. Then screw from the inside, until the reamer can be removed. From this location, after punching it from this pillar, to put these two reinforcements on these sides, cut it off. This element, you have to cut it off a little bit. Load lens, tighten the screws. Paste waterproof soft glue on the wiring harness. Harness goes through the inside, then put it back into the rear wing. The extension cord goes through here, then put it back into the soft hose. Harness the wiring harness with a cable tie on the original car line. The line of the arowana is stored here. Put back the tailgate inner cover